I'm at Stowmarket again. I know it's wondering why this video is probably not going to be as stable as I normally do because my phone's gone up swanny. I mean, I'm using my iPad.
In the hot weather, it is advisable to carry a hot water bottle if wet travelling. Should someone be taken ill on the train, please wait until the next day. Please advise the passenger on the next day. The doctor will be attended or reason for the next station.
Goes that train going on to Ipswich.
Good morning, next train to run on platform 2.
Right, I'm now sitting on a chair by the exit and there goes the 11:48 Great Anglia service to Norwich. Leaving at quite an alarming rate. Come on, blimey. That train was so quickly. Anyways, I'll see you when the next train comes. Oh, it's a freight train, the next train. I warn you to cover your ears, this might be loud if it does a... That was a class 66. No tone, so you wouldn't have to cover your ears after all. There is 12:06. Where goes that train? You know, since there's not a lot of passing trains today. There goes the 12:13 Norwich bound service. Something at Switch bound, I do apologise. Right, accidentally said extra. Oh, this is a special train. Oh, that's cool. Just before I go, I've got to say that I forgot to say that that was the last train I filmed. And I do apologise if you were disappointed that you saw no passing Norwich trains and you saw hardly any trains, and the video was not as long as most of my train spotting videos. Yeah, not a lot of trains run on Sundays, that's the reason. Also, I do apologise if the video was a bit unstable. It's because my phone's gone up the Swanee, which is Cockney slang for the fact that it's broke. Yes, my phone did break, it's gone up the Swanee, literally. So I had to use my iPad to film this video. Anyways, I'm going to sign off now. I will try and go back to Stowmarket though in the summer holidays, as my summer holidays officially starts this Tuesday. Day after Good Grimace's birthday. Happy birthday to you, as his birthday's tomorrow. Anyways, this is Gimpy signing off. Goodbye.